So in this video we're going to show you how to bring any YouTube video which is allowed to be embedded into your website. So you can embed anybody who's put a YouTube publicly on YouTube, or anyone who has put a video up unlisted and shares the link with you. You will be able to embed that link as long as they have ticked the box that says this can be embedded. So you can embed other people's videos in your website. They are still accredited with the content, and if it's a monetized site, they will still get any monetization from the play. But it might be that you want to incorporate other people's videos for some reason because they provide value, or it might be that it's from a manufacturer with how-to instructions on something, or it might be your own video and you just want to embed it. So how do we do that? First of all, you just drag the YouTube player into the site. You then go to YouTube and you find the URL. So all you do is go right click, copy video URL on the video that you want to share, and then you just go back to the site and you paste that, copy and paste that in, and then just click on the site there and away you go. So as you can see there, the video is embedded. You can then left or right or center it in the column that you want or on the page that you want, change the margin sizes, and then you can set a size you want, or you can have it on auto and then just adjust the size with spaces. So in the same way as you would with any other embed. And there we are. We've got a video, a YouTube video installed. Then you can work around that by, if you had it on auto, you can make a smaller video of it by dragging in spaces. You might put some text next to it. Then I'll delete the spacer now because I don't need it anymore. I've got a column there, so the text will hold that. And I might put a spacer. We'll take the space out from above, and there we are. So we've got a video there that can be watched and text around it. And you can always click on and say you want it playing on YouTube, and then it'll go full screen. So that's embedding a YouTube video into your website.